UPSC Sociology Optional, Paper 1, Sociology, the Discipline, Modernity and Social Changes in Europe, Emergence of Sociology. B. Scope of the subject and comparison with other social sciences. C. Sociology and Common Sense. Chapter 2, Sociology as a Science. Science, Scientific Method, Critique. B. Major theoretical strands of research methodology. C. Positivism and its critics. D. Fact value and objectivity. E. Non-positivist methodologies. Third chapter, Research Method and Analysis. A. Qualitative and quantitative methods. B. Techniques of the data collection. C. Variables, sampling, hypothesis, reliability and validity. Chapter 4, Sociological Thinkers. Karl Marx, Historical Materialism, Mode of Production, Alienation, Class Struggle. B. Emile Durkheim, Division of Labor, Social Fact, Suicide, Religion and Society. C. Max Weber, Social Action, Ideal Types, Authority, Bureaucracy and Protestant Ethics and Spirit of Capitalism. D. Talcott Parsons, Social Systems and Pattern Variables. E. R. K. Merton, Latent and Manifest Functions, Conformity and Deviance. Reference Groups. Mid Mid Self Identity. Chapter 5, Stratification and Mobility. Concepts equality, inequality, hierarchy, exclusion, poverty, and deprivations. B. Theories of social stratification, structural functionalist theory, Marxist theory, Weberian theory. C. Dimensions, social stratification of class, status, groups, gender, ethnicity, and race. D. Social mobility, open and closed systems, types of mobility, sources and causes of mobility. Chapter 6, Works and Economic Life, Social Organization of Work in Different Types of Society, Slave Society, Feudal Society, Industrial Capitalist Society. B. Formal and Informal Organization of Work. C. Labor and Society. Chapter 7, Politics and Society, Sociological Theories of Power, Power Elite, Bureaucracy, Pressure Groups, and Politic Parties. C. Nation, State, Citizenship, Democracy, Civil Society, Ideology. D. Protest, Agitations, Social Movements, Collective Action, Revolution. Chapter 8, Religion and Society, Sociological Theories of Religion. B. Types of religious practices, animism, monism, pluralism, sects, cults. C. Religion in modern society, religion and science, secularization, religious revivalism, fundamentalism. 9. Systems of kinship. A. Family, household, marriage. B. Types and forms of family. C. Lineage and descent. D. Patriarchy and sexual division of labor. E. Contemporary trends. Chapter 10 is change in modern society. A. Sociological theories of social change. B. Development and dependency. C. Agents of social change. D. Education and social change. E. Science, technology and social change. Now, paper 2, Introducing of Indian Society. Chapter 1st, Perspectives on the Study of Indian Society. Endology, J.S. Gure. Structural Functionalism, M.N. Srinivas. Marxist Sociology, A.R. Desai. Impact of colonial rule on Indian society. Social background of Indian nationalism, modernization of Indian tradition, protests and movements during the colonial period, social reforms, social structure, rural in and agrarian social structure. The idea of Indian village and village studies. B. Agrarian social structure, evolution of land tenure systems and land reforms. Caste system. Perspectives on the study of the caste system. G.S. Gure, M.N. Srinivas, Louis Dumont, Andre Bidde. Features of the caste system, untouchability, forms and perspectives, tribal communities in India, definitional problems, geographical spread, colonial policies and tribes, issues of integration and autonomy. Now, social classes in India. Agrarian class structure, industrial class structure, middle class in India. Now, systems of kinship in India. Lineage and descent in India, types of kinship systems, family and marriage in India, household dimensions of the family, patriarchy, entitlement, and sexual division of labor. Religion and society, religious communities in India, problems of religious minorities, social changes in India. Various of social change in India, visions of social change in India. idea of development planning, mixed economy, constitution law, social change, education and social change, rural and agrarian transformation in India, programs of rural development, community development, program cooperatives, poverty alleviation schemes, green revolution, and social change. Changing modes of production in Indian agriculture, problems of rural labor, bondage, migration, industrialization, urbanization in India. Evolution of modern industry in India, growth of urban settlement in India, working class structure, growth, class mobilization, informal sector, child labor, slums and deprivations in urban areas, politics and society, nation, democracy and citizenship, political parties, pressure groups, social and political elite, regionalism, decentralization of power, secularization, social movements in modern India, protest peasants and farmers movements, women's movements, backward classes and Dalit movements, environmental movement, ethnicity and identity movements. Now, population dynamics. Population size growth, composition and distribution, components of population growth, birth, death, migration, population policy and family planning, emerging issues, aging, sex ratio, child and infant mortality, reproductive health. Now, challenges of the social transformation, crisis of development, displacement, environmental problems and sustainability, poverty and deprivation and inequalities, violence against women, caste conflicts, ethnic conflicts, communalism, religious revivalism, literacy, and disparities in education.